Good morning, students. I am Dimple Arora, your science teacher for this new session. I hope आप सभी फिट एंड फाइन हो गए विथ योर फैमिली मेम्बर्स। जैसा सभी को पता है, कोविड-19 की वजह से हमारा स्कूल ओपन नहीं हो रहा है, बट एज अ साइंस टीचर आई फील that children can easily do some chapters of science with little guidance from my side and help from your side. So let us start. Today I am starting your science first chapter, chemical reaction and equation. There are few examples: burning of coal, curd, milk to curd, and rusting of iron, which are observed by you. All these examples are actually chemical reactions that can be represented by chemical equations. In this topic, in this content, we will define a chemical reaction, symbolic representation of a chemical reaction, identify the components in a chemical reaction, and how to write a chemical reaction. And also we will learn about balancing a chemical reaction. I am taking example: when zinc react with dilute sulfuric acid, it forms zinc sulfate and hydrogen. In this we have taken a conical flask. It is sealed with a rubber cork and fitted with a thermometer. We also fitted a funnel by which we can add dilute sulfuric acid in this zinc granule. After some time, we observe that the grey colored zinc granules changes into white color substances and there is the evolution of gas bubbles. We also use in this a thermometer. The reading of thermometer also increases. It means the temperature of reaction also increases. First we have taken grey colored zinc granules. After the reaction there is a hydrogen gas and white colored substances zinc sulfate. It means zinc reacted with sulfuric acid and it formed hydrogen gas and zinc sulfate. It means there is the formation of new substance. So what is chemical reaction? Chemical reaction involves change in physical and chemical properties, the composition, physical state of a substance. Indirectly, the chemical reaction involve a chemical change in which new chemical substances are formed. How to represent a chemical reaction with the help of symbol? A plus B react with each other and form C plus D. In this, A plus B are the reactants, C plus D are the product. So chemical equation is a symbolic representation of chemical reaction. Now how to represent this chemical reaction with the help of symbol? Zinc react with dilute sulfuric acid and form zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas. For the zinc we have taken Zn, dilute sulfuric acid, H2SO4, zinc sulfate, ZnSO4 plus hydrogen gas. So chemical equation contains two parts: reactant zinc plus dilute sulfuric acid and second part is products ZnSO4 plus hydrogen gas. So chemical equation में chemical reaction का overall representation है with the help of symbols. Completely sign, completely symbols, completely states of matter, they are included in this chemical equation. Now with the help of chemical equation, we also represent the states of matter. One more example: when carbon burns, in presence of oxygen, then it forms CO2. Carbon, its symbol is C. Oxygen gas, its symbol O2, and it forms CO2. In this reaction, carbon and oxygens are reactants and CO2 it is a product. So carbon और ऑक्सीजन रिएक्ट होकर क्या फॉर्म कर रहे हैं? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. सो दोनों को किसके थ्रू रिप्रेजेंट कर दिया? केमिकल इक्वेशन के थ्रू. इसी केमिकल इक्वेशन में और क्या क्या इंफॉर्मेशन गिवन होगी? इफ reactants and products are given in solid state, we can use S. Liquid state L. Gas state G. For aqueous solution we will use AQ. If gas produce and release in environment, then it's shown by arrow. If it is formed as a precipitate, then downward side arrow. And the direction of reaction given by vertical arrow. So this chemical reaction also provide this information. One more example, we have taken solid iron in round bottom flask. When it is heated, it react with steam and convert into iron oxide and hydrogen gas. So in this reaction, Fe plus H2O it form Fe3O4 plus H2. Now how to write a chemical equation and how to balance a chemical equation? So we are taking some more examples. A2 plus B2 it form A2B. In this reaction, reactants number and products numbers are not equal. So to verify the law of conservation of mass, we should equal the number of reactants and product equal, so that they can verify the law of conservation of mass. Now what are the steps? How to balance? Let us start. One example, A plus B2CD4 it form ACD4 plus CD2 plus B2D. Arrow के left side जो भी है, these are the left hand side reactants and right hand side these are the product. Now count the number of atoms. Number of A atom on left side 1, on right side it is also 1. Number of B atoms left hand side count कर लो 2, right hand side 2. C atom count कर लो left hand side 1, right hand side 2. Number of D atoms 4 and 7. So these are in balance. How to balance? Count the number of atoms and you should try to balance it. For example, number of carbon atoms, number of C atom on left side it is 1 and right side 2. Then we have applied 2 in front of B2CD4. There are two ways, but first is correct method and second is wrong. So only you can put the number for balancing chemical equation in front of chemical formula. Next example is reaction of hydrogen and oxygen. S2 plus O2 is equal to H2O. In this reaction, number of hydrogen atoms on left side 2, right hand side also 2, but number of oxygen atoms are 2 on left side, on right side it is only 1. It means this reaction in imbalance. With the help of a diagram it is shown in this PPT. So how to balance? Hydrogen atoms are already balanced, but oxygen it is not balanced. So we can put 2 in front of H2O. In this case, the number of oxygen atoms on right hand side will be 2 and the number of oxygen atoms already left side पे 2 है और right side पे भी 2 हो गए. It means reaction will be balanced. But in this case, when we again check the number of hydrogen atoms on right hand side, it is 2 2s are 4. It means number of hydrogen atoms it becomes 4 and in left side it is only 2. Then what would happen? Reaction is again not balanced. So to balance the chemical equation, what should done? देखो बैलेंस की तरफ पीपीटी के अंदर शोन हुआ है कि अब बैलेंस आपका कहाँ मूव कर गया, राइट हैंड साइड टिल्ट हो गया. इट मीन्स हाइड्रोजन एटम्स क्या हो गए, अब मोर देन हो गए. सो टू बैलेंस द हाइड्रोजन एटम्स वी पुट 2 in front of H2 on left hand side. In this case the hydrogen atoms again will be 4, right hand side it is also 4, and the oxygen atom on left hand side 2 and right hand side it is also 2. So number of hydrogen and oxygen atoms are equal on both sides. This equation is called balanced chemical equation. If reaction is not balanced, then it means number of hydrogen atoms, number of other elements are not equal on both sides, then we can say this reaction is imbalance or skeletal chemical equation. Now next example is CH3CH2OH plus O2 converts into CO2 plus H2O. This is the combustion of ethyl alcohol. CH3CH2OH and O2, these are the reactants, and CO2 and water, these are the right hand side products. So count the number of atoms, number of carbon, number of hydrogen, number of oxygen. There are 3 elements. Count the number of atoms. Carbon on left side 2, on right side it is only 1. Number of hydrogen atoms 6, on right side it is 2. Oxygen atoms on left side and right side both sides are equal. So first we will balance the carbon atom. How to balance? On left hand side it is already 2, on right hand side it is only 1. So we put 2 in front of CO2 molecule. So in this case, right hand side the number of carbon atoms will be 2, on left hand side it is already 2. Now in this case number of hydrogen atoms are not balanced. On left hand side it is 6, on right hand side it is 2. So we put 3 in front of H2O. That in case 3 into 2, 3 2s are 6, so hydrogen atom 6. But बैलेंस करते करते ऑक्सीजन एटम्स का नंबर इनबैलेंस हो गया. सो अगेन आपको चेक करना है. राइट हैंड साइड इट इज़ 7 एंड लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इट इज़ 6. सो वी पुट 3 in front of O2 so that it can balance. So now reaction is balanced. This is a balanced chemical equation, or imbalanced chemical equation is called skeletal chemical equation. So we will revise chemical reaction, chemical equation, types of chemical equation, balance and unbalance. At last I am giving you some assignment. There are 2 questions on balancing. Try and solve these equations and submit it in WhatsApp group. Thank you बच्चे.